Today I'm going to talk about context. What is context? What is context engineering? And why is it so important? First, let's tackle the definition of context, at least what it means to me. It's actually rather simple. It is the context you need, so the up-to-date data and information to bring any possible job or task to a good end in any possible role you can imagine. Today, there are 3 ways to complete that job or task. The first one is the traditional way. You, as a human, bring context or do the job yourself. You think on it, you look some things up in some tools, and then you complete the job. A newer one is working with AI in a hybrid setting where you bring and offer some context in a conversational or in a prompt way, and AI gets some context via some MCP connections that give access to some tools that you use and the data inside it. The third one is letting AI do the work for you. And of course, this requires context too. That's actually why I created Hebian, which is the universal memory and digital brain for you, your team, your company, and AI, where we create one big company brain and one individual employee brain for each employee, where when people then are working, we bridge both and get the right context, data, and information based on whatever you are working on at that moment in time. Now, to do so, we of course need to create a digital brain on a company level where we connect all the tools a company uses and digest all this information in a big library of Alexandria. And on the other hand, we need to connect all the tools an employee uses to create the other individual employee brain, to then make that bridge between both, and where employees of course have access to the digital brain based on their role. So it's with access management, of course. That way, wherever you are working, whatever you are working on, Hebian can always provide the right context at the right time. Whether it's you doing the work, whether you are working with AI, or whether you are letting AI do the work for you.